What will we make of the blank page which 2014 represents?
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller's question for and challenge to Jamaicans at the dawn of a new year. And the minister responsible for sport gives charge during Wellness Festival. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Samantha Allen.
We know that when Jamaicans unite to achieve something, nothing can defeat us. We need to channel that same energy and unity into national development. We can do it. We must do it.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller expressed her deepest wish for Jamaica during a New Year's broadcast to the nation. The Prime Minister called for a unified approach to tackling crime.
This must be the year when we as Jamaicans say with every fiber of our being, enough is enough where crime is concerned.
She said government would redouble its efforts in 2014 to work toward a safe and secure Jamaica.
We hope to pass what has been dubbed the anti-gang legislation in the first quarter of this calendar year, as well as the important DNA legislation.
On the matter of the economy, Mrs. Simpson Miller asked for understanding as the government continued its economic reform program, while noting that the government had re-established the island's international credibility through fiscal prudence. The Prime Minister said she was aware of the effects on the public. That's why, Mrs. Simpson Miller said, the government had maintained a high level of social spending, making critical investments in housing, health, education and social services. The Prime Minister ended her New Year's Day message with a call to act on the island's development goals.
We have many rivers to cross, but we can make it if we really try. Let us work together. Let us unite as one Jamaican family, shaping the future together.
Minister without portfolio responsible for sport Natalie Nita Headley has praised the launch of the Joie de Vie Wellness Festival. At the function Friday, she said the festival was a step in the right direction and in line with government's continued promotion of wellness among citizens.
It really is our hope that with the support of the private sector, initiative like this one, we can create a healthier nation. And we can create an expanding culture of excellence in sport, healthy lifestyles, fitness and wellness for all.
The Joie de Vie Wellness Festival will be held over 2 days starting February 1 at Fort Clarence Beach. And that's how we leave you on this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Join us again next week for the latest out of the office of the Prime Minister.